Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you schedule Gmail messages. So let's start. All right, so let's go ahead and compose an email. So for example, I want to send this to one of my contacts in here. All right, now here you can actually make a schedule for this email to go out. So here, if you notice this send button, there is an arrow beside it. So if you click on the arrow beside it, you will have the option to schedule send. So let's click it. Now in here, you'll be given three of the more popular options for scheduled messages. You have tomorrow morning, this afternoon, or Monday morning. But if you prefer a specific time and date, you can actually click on pick date and time. Now in here, you can choose which date you want to choose the email and at what time the email is going to go off. Now, once you've chosen the time, you can click on schedule send. And this message is going to be automatically sent on the specified date and time. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.